You are welcome to the Girl Regional Championship. This is the semi-final stage from the Ashanti region. In this contest, we have Prempeh College, Anglican Senior High School Kumasi, and Kumasi Academy. Let's meet the contestants. Prempeh College is represented by
Ashanti, a champion. Yalbuachi Party.
Anglican Senior High School Kumasi is represented by
Saki Military Helmets. By Benedict.
Then Kumasi Academy, they are represented by
Ashabu Christian. Obi Lemon.
Thank you for that. The Girl Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Girl with support from Joy News. This is a prime-time production. My name is Dr. Thelma Ohineje. I'm a senior lecturer at the School of Pharmacy, University of Ghana, Legon, and I'm your quiz mistress. Okay, so to our schools, best wishes for the competition, okay? We are going to have this contest in 4 rounds. I'll begin in round 1. Here, several questions will come to your school. These questions cover your knowledge in physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. If a question comes to your school and there are no calculations, I'll take your answer in 10 seconds. If there are calculations, 30 seconds. If you answer your question correctly, you'll be awarded 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's no penalty point. The question becomes available for another school to ring for it. A bonus question is worth 1 point if answered correctly, and -1 if the answer is incorrect. Also, the stakes are very high in this round, so if you want a bonus question, to be fair, you wait, I ruled, and you ring your bell. If a school is speaking, I haven't ruled, and you ring your bell, you are out of that bonus, okay? Round 1. In this round, I would also begin with Prempeh College. Okay. So a preamble to all the schools. And I'll take one answer each from each school. So give me straight to the point, as accurate as you can be answer, okay? Give one benefit of earthworms in the soil. Give one benefit of earthworms in soil. I'll begin with Prempeh College. Yes, go ahead.
They borrow the soil to improve its structure. Thus, they improve soil structure by their activities.
Okay, I'll take it. Anglican SHS.
Okay, so earthworm decompose organic material in the soil, thereby increasing the fertility of the soil.
I'll take that. Kumasi Academy.
Okay. Earthworms burrow into the soil in order to enhance soil aeration.
I'll take that as well. Another preamble. Give the names of the products formed from the decomposition of the given compound. Give the names of the products formed from the decomposition of the given compound. Prempeh College. Aluminium oxide. Yes. Turn it on and off. Oh.
Hello.
Yes.
Aluminium, metal, and oxygen gas.
That's correct. Kumasi Anglican. Sulfuric acid. Yes.
Okay, we have sulfur dioxide and water. That is sulfur 4 oxide and water.
1 out of 3. Kumasi Academy. Hydrogen peroxide. Yes.
Hydrogen gas and oxygen gas.
One out of 3. So, yeah. Anglican SHS is sulfur trioxide and water. And then Kumasi Academy, oxygen and water. Oxygen gas and water. A preamble. A series AC circuit has resistance R and reactance X at a certain frequency. A series AC circuit has resistance X at a certain frequency. Okay, that's the preamble. Prempeh College. Find X if R equals 12 ohms and the impedance of the circuit is 20 ohms. Why are you ringing your bell? No, Anglican, why are you ringing your bell? Yes, Prempeh.
16 ohms.
That's correct. So, even if the answer was incorrect, I wouldn't have allowed you. Yes. So if they are belled out, then you can ring your bell. But if I haven't ruled, don't ring your bell, okay? Anglican, find R. If X equals 15 ohms, 15 ohms, and the impedance of the circuit is 39 ohms. Yes, go ahead.
36 ohms.
That's correct. Kumasi Academy. Find the impedance of the circuit if R equals 28 ohms and X equals 21 ohms. Yes.
35 ohms.
That's correct. Use implicit differentiation. This is a preamble. To find the gradient dy dx for the given curve. Use implicit differentiation to find the gradient dy dx for the given curve. Prempeh College. 2x cubed plus 3x squared y squared minus 2y cubed equals 17. Go ahead.
dy over dx is equal to a fraction with numerator x squared plus xy squared and denominator y squared minus yx squared.
That's correct. Anglican, x to the power 4 minus x cubed y squared plus y cubed equals 19. Go ahead.
dy dx is given by a fraction with numerator 4x cubed minus 3x squared y squared all over the denominator, which is 2x cubed y minus 3y squared.
That's correct. Kumasi Academy, x to the power 4 plus 2x squared y squared minus 4y cubed equals 15. Go ahead.
dy dx is equal to a fraction with numerator x y squared plus x cubed all over 3y squared minus s squared y.
That's correct. Preamble. To all the schools, I want each school to give me one answer. Mention one leaf modification and the common species in which it occurs. Mention one leaf modification and a common species in which it occurs. Prempeh College. Go ahead.
Certain leaves are modified into tendrils for climbing, and then it is common among climbing plants.
Okay, common among?
Climbing plants, or such as the yam.
Such as?
Yam.
Yam. 2 out of 3. You can come back to this. Anglican.
Okay. Tongues. And some leaves are modified into tongues. And example is the bougainvillea.
The what?
Bougainvillea.
One out of 3. Kumasi Academy.
So we have the bulbs, that is the leaves of some plants, or yes, are modified into bulbs, and an example is the onion.
That's correct. So for their tendrils, the example I have is passion fruit. You can check on yam later. And for the modification, so I have spines in like the cactus. So I took the thorns to mean that you are saying something like spines, but the example isn't right. In bougainvillea, we have bracts. Bracts. Okay. A preamble. An organic compound has the molecular formula C4H10O. Give the systematic name and class of one alcohol that can be formed from this compound. I'll take it again. An organic compound has the molecular formula C4H10O. Give the systematic name and class of one alcohol that can be formed from this compound. Give them 30 seconds for this. Prempeh.
Okay, we have 1 butanol, and it is a primary alcohol.
That's correct. Anglican SHS.
2-methyl-propan-2-O, and it is a tertiary alcohol.
No. You said 2-methyl what?
Propan-2-O.
No, no. Kumasi Academy.
So we have 2-butanol, and it is a secondary alcohol.
That's correct. Anglican, you said, yeah, give your answer again.
2-methyl-propan-2-O, and it is a tertiary alcohol.
Correct. Prempeh College. Find the charge stored by a series connection of a 5 millifarad and a 10 millifarad capacitor when a 15-volt battery is connected across it. Yes. Go ahead. Yeah, I can hear you. Oh. Into the microphone.
Millicoulomb.
Oh, again.
50 millicoulomb.
That's correct. Anglican, find the energy stored by a series connection of a 4 millifarad and an 8 millifarad capacitor when a 15-volt battery is connected across it. Yes.
300 millijoules.
That's correct. Kumasi Academy, a 20 millifarad capacitor and a 30 millifarad capacitor are connected in series. Find the total energy stored by the capacitors when the series network is connected across the terminals of a 10-volt battery. Yes.
The energy is 600 millijoules.
That's correct. Expand the preamble. Expand the given expression in ascending powers of x up to x cube. Expand the given expression in ascending powers of x up to x cube. Prempeh College. The expression 1 plus x squared to the power 5. Go ahead.
1 plus 5x plus 15s squared plus 20s cubed.
No. A bonus. Okay. Anglican. The expression 1 plus x minus x squared to the power 6. Go ahead.
Okay, so it is given by to s cube 1 plus 6x minus 12x squared plus 6s cubed.
No. A bonus to Kumasi Academy.
1 plus 6x plus 9s squared minus 30s cubed.
No. Kumasi Academy. The expression 1 minus x plus x squared to the power 5. Go ahead.
The expansion is 1 minus 5x plus 15x squared minus 20x cubed.
No. Bonus. Okay. So for Kumasi Academy, I have 1 minus 5x plus 15x squared minus 30x cubed. Anglican, I have 1 plus 6x plus 9x squared minus 10x cubed. And then Prempeh, 1 plus 5x plus 15x squared plus 30x. Okay, that brings us to the end of round 1.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
Okay, before we move on to round 2, there are a few protests here. So, Prempeh College is saying that I shouldn't accept Bob as a modified leave for Kumasi Academy. But I've checked, so the scaly leaves and all form part of the bulb in the onion, so it's right. So I'll give that answer, it's correct. And Anglican SHS is also challenging that I gave them 1 out of 3. They said thorns and what was the plant you mentioned? Bonivelent. Is that what you're saying? Bougainvillea was what you were trying to say. Okay. So I had to also check as well. When they said thorns, the reason why I gave them 1 was because I was thinking, are thorns and spine the same thing? Because I had spine. So I gave them 1, but they are not the same. Thorns and spines are not the same. And thorns are not modification of leaves. They're actually modification of stems. So I'll take my mark back. So that will bring the scores at the end of round 1 to Anglican Senior High School 16 points, Kumasi Academy 18 points, Prempeh College 20 points. Round 2. So in this round, each question that is read out is open to all the schools at the same time. If you have a correct answer, you ring your bell, I'll stop, allow you to give your answer. If you are the school that gives me the first correct answer, 3 points. Second correct answer, 2 points. After that, any correct answer is worth 1 point. At any time, if your answer is incorrect, a penalty point of 1, okay? So our first question for the speed race. The point A, 2,3, and B, -4, -5, are the ends of a diameter of a circle. Yes, Prempeh College.
X squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 2y minus 23 is equal to 0.
No. Who else rang the bell? Anglican. Yes, Anglican.
X squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 2y minus 23 is less than 0.
No. Find the equation of the circle. Okay, I have x plus 1 all squared plus y plus 1 all squared equals 25. Okay. Our next question. If f of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 2 and g of x equals 2x minus 1, evaluate f of g of 2. Kumasi Academy. Kumasi Academy.
2.
Yes. Solve tan squared x equals 1 for, yes, Anglican.
x is equal to pi over 4 or 3 pi over 4.
That's correct. At 25 degrees Celsius, a saturated solution of calcium hydroxide has a mass concentration of 3.7 milligram per decimeter cube. Determine the pH of the solution at this temperature. Yes, Prempeh College.
10.
That's correct. Tetraphosphorus decaoxide. Tetraphosphorus decaoxide dissolves in water to form phosphoric acid. How many moles of acid can be formed from 6 moles of the oxide? Yes, Prempeh College. Prempeh College.
24.
That's correct. Give 2 stable positive ions that are isoelectronic with P3. Yes, Prempeh College.
Ca2 plus and K plus.
That's correct. Okay, the next question. State the processes by which glucose is Anglican.
Okay, we have glycolysis and Krebs cycle.
No.
And the electron transport chain.
Come again?
Glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain.
Okay, okay. There's so much noise here, I can't hear them. So I'm not even sure when they are finished or not. I can't hear.
Boys, you listen to me. The noise you are making is making the work very difficult here for us. The students can't hear the question very well, they cannot answer. At the end of the day, you can understand what that means to us. I plead with you, I encourage all of you, be as quiet as you can for the program to run. Thank you.
Our next question. Describe wind pollinated. Go ahead.
Wind pollinated flowers have a long, the filament is long, that is with the anther. They have a long filament, and the anther is also large, and also it is pendulous and it lies outside the flower for the wind to blow it so that pollination can occur.
No.
Due to the pendulum.
Continue.
The stars are long.
Okay,
that is
no.
the filament.
No. Yeah, describe wind pollinated flowers. Yes, Prempeh.
Wind pollinated flowers are flowers that are pollinated by wind, and these flowers are usually usually small and inconspicuous, with petals that are not brightly colored, and also they have feathery stigma. That is, these wind pollinated flowers.
I'll take it. So they are small and inconspicuous. I have those two keywords. That's fine. What type of fruit is pineapple? Anglican.
Multiple fruit.
That's correct. Express the conventional SI unit for specific heat capacity in terms of SI base. Kumasi Academy.
Okay. Meter square per second squared Kelvin.
Yes. An object is launched vertically upward at 40.0 meters per second from level ground. How high? Yes.
80.0 meters.
Come again. No, Kumasi Academy. Yes.
80.0 meters.
No, Anglican.
160 meters.
No. How high, did you ring your bell? How high does the object rise on its first rebound if the coefficient of restitution between object and ground is 0.80? Yes, Prempeh College.
64.0 meters.
No. Okay. I have 52 meters. Our last question for the round. Find the net electromagnetic force on a negative 5 coulomb charge whose velocity is 4J meters per second at a point where the magnetic flux density is 5I Tesla. Prempeh. Yes.
So we have 100 K Newton.
No.
Well,
Anglican. Look at me. Who rang the bell? Anglican. Here,
Yeah.
look here. Look at me and answer the question, Anglican.
Negative. Okay. Negative 100K newtons.
No. Kumasi Academy, did you ring your bell? Your answer?
100 Newton.
No. So the question continues. And the electric field is 4K volts per meter. And the answer is 80K newtons. That brings us to the end of round 2.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy.
we go on to round 3, a few clarifications on some protests. So, CAS, Kumasi Anglican is challenging the biology question where I asked them to describe wind-pollinated flowers. Okay, so they said, they talked about how the filaments are long, they slender, come out of the flower. I didn't accept this. Then Prempeh said they are small and inconspicuous, which is what I have. But if I say describe something, anything that describes it should be accepted. And so I agree with them that that answer is acceptable. So they'll get that mark. Also, a school is challenging that I let cars change their answer. If there's noise, because when they were speaking, I paused midway and said no, and then they continued. I'm not sure when they've finished their answer or not. So if there's noise, these things will happen. They gave me all 3 answers, so I would accept it. There's also a challenge from Prempeh about the physics question that had the coefficient of restitution. So that I've spoken to the students, they agree that the answer was wrong because they missed out 1 step in the calculation. So there's no challenge here. Then the maths question about this equation of the circle, I'll give that answer to Prempeh because I gave an expanded answer, which is equivalent to the answer they gave. So that brings the scores at the end of round 2 to Kumasi Academy, 22 points. Anglican Senior High School, Kumasi, 25 points. Prempeh College, 30 points. Round 3. In this round, before we go on, there's a substitution. Anglican Senior High School would like Marcus to come on for Benedict. Round 3. In this round, for each statement that comes to your school, I want you to tell me if it's true or false. If you answer correctly, you'd have 2 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. If you are bailed out, another school can answer for the same rules, 2 points if they are correct, a penalty point if their answer is incorrect. In this round, I would start with Anglican Senior High School. Anglican, 5 raised to the power negative 3 is less than 5 raised to the power negative 4.
False.
Yes, it's false. Kumasi Academy, 4 raised to the power 3 is greater than 3 raised to the power 4. Yes.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Prempeh College, 5 raised to the power 3 is less than 3 raised to the power 5. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. CAS, human activities can result in habitat fragmentation.
True.
Yes, it's true. Kumasi Academy, habitat breaks down continuous land into smaller lands. Yes.
It's true.
No, it's false. Prempeh College, habitat fragmentation can be caused by geological processes that slowly change the physical environment's layout. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. Anglican. The equilibrium constant can be used to predict the direction in which a reaction will proceed to reach equilibrium.
True.
Yes, it's true. Kumasi Academy. The equilibrium constant can be used to predict whether a reaction is exothermic or endothermic. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Prempeh. Adding a catalyst to a reaction will change the value of the equilibrium constant. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Anglican. A convex spherical lens forms a virtual image of a real object when the object is closer to the lens than the focus of the lens.
True.
Yes, it's true. Kumasi Academy. A convex spherical mirror of a real object. Mirror. Kumasi Academy, a convex spherical mirror. Okay, I'm changing the question. Disregard what I read at first. Kumasi Academy. A convex spherical mirror forms a real image of a real object when the object is farther from the lens than the focus of the lens. Yes.
False.
No, it's true. Prempeh College. A convex spherical mirror forms a real image of a real object when the object is farther from the mirror than the focus of the mirror. Yes, Prempeh.
False.
Yes, it's false. Anglican. The degree of the expression x cubed plus y to the power 4 minus 3x squared y cubed is 6.
False.
Yes, it's false. Kumasi Academy. The degree of the expression 3x cubed plus 2x squared y squared minus xy to the power 4 is 5. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. Prempeh. The degree of the expression x cubed, bracket open, x squared plus y to the power 4, bracket closed, is 9. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Anglican. Pepsinogen is the precursor of pepsin.
False.
No, it's true. Kumasi Academy. Renin is found in the ruminant stomach. Renin is found in the ruminant stomach. Yes. Kumasi Academy.
True.
Yes, it's true. Prempeh. Pepsinogen is secreted by the chief cells. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. Anglican. Nylon is a condensation polymer.
True.
Yes, it's true. Kumasi Academy. Protein is a condensation polymer. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. Prempeh. Teflon is an addition polymer. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. Our last set of questions for this round. Kumasi Anglican. The total angular momentum of a system of particles is conserved whenever the work of the net force on the system is 0.
False.
Yes, it's false. Kumasi Academy. The rate of change of the total angular momentum of a system of particles equals the net force on the system. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Prempeh College. The total angular momentum of a system of particles is conserved whenever the net torque on the system is 0. Yes, Prempeh.
True.
Yes, that is true. That brings us to the end of round 3. At the end of round 3, the scores are Kumasi Academy, 32 points. Anglican Senior High School, Kumasi, 38 points. Prempeh College, 46 points. Okay, round 4. So in this final round of the contest, we determine the winner of the contest who will go on to the final, and the highest scoring runner-up who would also join for the final, okay? We are going to decide this based on 4 riddles. At any time when I'm reading the clues to the riddles, if you have an answer, ring your bell. I'll stop and allow you to answer. If you give me an answer on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. After that, any answer is worth 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, just stay out of that particular riddle. You come back for the next one, okay? So our first riddle. I am a substance that exerts control. I control the pace of reactions. I may be water. Kumasi Academy.
List.
No. I'll continue. I may be water, heavy water, or graphite. Yes, Prempeh College.
Moderator.
That's correct. Riddle. I am a point of concurrency of a triangle. Yes, Kumasi Academy.
Circumcenter.
No. I am a point of intersection of some 3 lines. Anglican.
Centroid.
No. I'll continue. I am a point of intersection of some 3 lines associated with a triangle. For an acute triangle, I am inside the triangle. Okay. Yes, Prempeh. Okay, Prempeh College, your answer.
Auto Center.
That's correct. Our next riddle. Our next riddle. I am a point. I am a weighted average. I am associated with a body or a collection of particles. Kumasi Academy.
Center of mass.
That's correct. Our last riddle. My name is well known in science. I am a unique entity in biology. Carlos Linnaeus was... Yes, Kumasi Academy.
Binomial nomenclature.
No. Let's continue. Carlos Linnaeus was very fond of me. I form a group of interbreeding individuals. Yes, Anglican.
Species.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round 4. At the end of round 4, the scores are Kumasi Academy 35 points, Anglican Senior High School Kumasi 41 points, Prempeh College 52 points. With that score, Prempeh College wins this contest and becomes the second finalist for the Ashanti Regional Championship. Also, with their score, Anglican Senior High School is the highest runner-up in this semi-final stage, and they qualify for the final competition. So in our final competition, we would have Prempeh College, Anglican Senior High School Kumasi, and Sims Senior High School. Congratulations to Prempeh College. Congratulations to Kumasi Anglican Senior High School. Better luck next time, Kumasi Academy. You were a good competition. The Goal Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goal, with support from Joy News. This is a prime time production. see you for the final.
Hello, third contestant, Kumasi Academy. Please come on stage, we'll do the presentation. The final contest